Hey math kids, we're in section 12D and we're talking about grouped data, and we just have one example, I believe. Yep, one example, and we're given some data. It says the table below shows the ages of bus drivers. Estimate the mean age to the nearest year. So we want to find the mean to the nearest year. And so when we're doing this, we just need to add up everything that's in that range. So if we add the total, or the bottom of our, so remember, mean equals sum over total number, or total number of data points, or whatever. So to find the total number of data points, all we have to do is add all of these numbers up. So if we do 11 plus 14 plus 32 plus 27 plus 29 plus 17 plus 7, that's going to give us this bottom total number. And that is 137. Now, for us to find how many we actually have within each of these, when it's grouped data like this, we want to find the midpoint of each of these and use the midpoint. And so, for example, if we're going to do 21 to 25, we're going to do 21 plus 25 divided by 2. So that's going to be 46 divided by 2, which is 23. So I'm going to replace this with 23. I'm going to add these together, divide by 2, and get 28. Add these together, divide by 2, get 33. And then if I continue to do that, I'm going to get these numbers. Okay. Now, remember what this is saying is there are 11 23-year-olds, or that's our estimate. There are 14 28-year-olds. So if I was to write this out, I would write 23, 11 times, and then I'd write 28 14 times, etc. So what we need to do to figure out how much of the sum adds up to this, we're going to do 11 times 23, and we're going to get 253. Then we're going to multiply these two numbers together and get 392. And then we're going to multiply the next ones, multiply the next ones, multiply these ones. Let's see, 1247. Multiply these ones, 816. And multiply these ones to get 371. Now to get the sum of this, we just add all these blue numbers together, and that gives us 5161. And then if we just divide, just do 5,161 divided by 137, that gives us 37.7. And so if we're rounding that to the nearest year, 38 years old is the mean age of the bus drivers. Okay, if you need additional help, come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.